Danielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the Bodyboss, and if that's something that you would like to learn more about, then you know what to do. Stay watching.
Even know my name, but she wanna know the game.
So I've had this for about since December, and it's April 1st right now. And truthfully, you really don't need to purchase the nutrition guide. When I was following for the first 3 weeks, I may have only used one recipe. It was only one recipe inside this entire booklet that I used. And if you're somebody who's gonna stick with a guide and food prepping, then it'll work for you. But for me, I guess I was not as structured. For those of you who are interested and want to know what's inside, you have your weekly food preps. It will give you your weekly shopping list. So week 1, you have your shopping list on what you should purchase, and then it shows you how to food prep. And it tells you what you should be doing on a Monday, and you have your breakfast. And let me try to zoom in. You have your breakfast, you have your morning snack, your lunch, mid-afternoon snack, and dinner. So it does have those things, and you meal prep for the entire week. And one thing I tried that I thought was pretty yummy, I love the baby banana burgers. That was really neat. I thought it was very neat that you use, if you love bananas especially, it tasted really good. This time around, I definitely think that I'm going to follow the nutrition guide. I'm not gonna follow it 100% because I have a family of 6, and that means that it's hard for me to meal prep for just myself, and then I have my kids and my husband. They don't wanna follow this strict routine as far as nutrition. But I'm going to pull little things in and out, and I will decide what I will eat. So I'll do a little bit of meal prepping, but I will not follow the nutrition fully. If I had to do it over again, would I purchase the nutrition guide? No, I would not. Just because I couldn't stick with it. I did not follow exactly what it told me I should do, and I did not do the meal prepping, and I did not purchase the food. But I've seen other people who meal prep and it worked for them wonderfully. But in my opinion, if I had to do it again, I would not. That's just my opinion, guys. Let's jump into the fitness part of the Bodyboss. The fitness part is definitely, I can see how it would work. I definitely can see how it would work because, you know, you tend to underestimate the fitness part of it, and you're thinking, oh, this little thing is not gonna work me. But I felt really aching, and this routine really kicked my butt for the 3 weeks that I was working on it. And I'm very excited to jump back in and get started. In the Bodyboss Fitness Guide, you have pre-training for 4 weeks. So technically, I did not start the full program. I was still in pre-training, and you have the pre-training for 4 weeks. Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays will be your workout days. You know, you have your stretching, you're cooling down, you know, you're working out, you're doing all that stuff. And then on Tuesdays, and let me show you how it looks if you want to take a little peek at this. On Tuesday, you have your recovery day. And they're giving you a day where you're gonna do a little bit of light exercising where you recover your muscles. So you're not just cranking it out for 5 full days of working out. You work on Monday, then you recover. Recovering can be you're riding a bicycle, or you're swimming, or you're just walking around. Just some type of workout you're doing. Then Wednesday, you work out again, and they have a structured set of sets of workouts that you should be doing. Thursday is cardio. On Thursday, once again, you're just gonna go ahead and do something. I love to ride my recumbent bike, and you know, you ride your bike, or you run or whatever you want to do. You get your cardio in. Friday, you go in and you work out some more and you follow the structured routine. And you just do that. Like I said, I was in the pre-training, which was 4 weeks. And then once you've passed the pre-training, then you jump into the actual fitness routine. I think it's good to go in and try the fitness pre-training and see where you fall. I'm going to restart this today, April 1st, and I will definitely be doing the pre-training. And I may modify if I need to, because like I said, my joints were starting to ache a little bit. So I will be modifying my routine, but I will be starting it over again. Definitely, if you're somebody who does not exercise as frequent, or if you've had a baby recently or some type of surgery recently, I highly advise that you try the pre-training and see how that works. Once you finish with your 4 weeks of pre-training, then you jump into the actual program. And once you get into that, that's going to be weeks 5 through 12. You have it in cycles where everything is structured, everything is just laid out for you. This book, let me just tell you, is completely organized. I believe that this is totally worth it, and I can see why when you're finished, if you have taken it seriously and you have had a sensible eating plan, I can see why you're gonna lose the inches in your arms, your thighs, your butt, your tummy. I can see why everything is going to tone and firm up, because this is a very structured program. Everything is well thought out, well taken into place. And I like the fact that you really don't need to have a whole bunch of equipment. You don't have to go to the gym. You can stay at home and you can get working. Everything is basically just you and a few things. You may have to have a step here or there or a box, but those are different things that you can find your way around. Overall, the exercises you can do in the comfort of your home, and I find that this program is laid out and it's planned really well. With your purchase of the Bodyboss program, you can access it on the computer, and you can, if you want to see the exercise. But I tend to use the book. I didn't think that I would feel comfortable with my actual hard copy, but I do. But you do have the option of having the online or the hard copy, and I feel more comfortable with my hard copy. Now, would I use the online if I'm out on vacation and I just have my computer? Yes, but I do like having the option of having my hard copy in front of me. Let me show you a little something else. As you can see, everything is broken into sections. Every week, every day of the week that you're exercising, which will be the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I am definitely hyped. My daughter is now 8 months. She'll be 9 months. Let's see, April 6th she'll be 9 months, and I definitely want to get swimsuit ready for summertime. So definitely I have to get my body into gear, and I have to take this thing seriously. Today will be my day 1, and I hope that you guys will follow me. Like I said, I will be modifying the nutrition part of it. I will be modifying the nutrition part of it, and parts of the fitness part I will modify as well. But I'm excited. I failed my first try at it, but let me tell you, in life, when you fail, you have to get back on that horse and get back at it. So never be afraid to jump in and give it a second try. Please follow me. I will have other videos sharing the nutrition part of it, a few of my favorite meals I will share, and I will have some videos showing my workout session, maybe week 1 or maybe session 1. I will share something with you. Keep watching and follow me as I go through my Bodyboss fitness program. I am feeling a good month of April. That's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time.